How to copy paste photo in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to easily copy and paste photos on your iPhone. Whether you're sharing images in messaging or organizing your files, this tutorial will make it a breeze. First, let's start with the basics. So you'll have to go to your iPhone gallery and just hold on to photo. Make sure that the object is copyable. Like if there are too many objects in the picture, then it will be difficult for iPhone. So if the subject is only one and it's very clearly visible, then you just have to hold on it, long press on it and leave it, and there you'll see copy option on the top. Go ahead and tap on it. Now go to your messages, notes app, or any other place where you want to paste the photo. I'll go to my notes app, and then I just have to long press on it and tap paste. And there you go. It's as simple as that. All the background will also be removed and you'll only get the subject. This is perfect for pasting it directly into messages and creating a clean look without the background. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.